Hey friends, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video I'm going to do a foundation review. It's been a while since I've done one on my channel. So as you can tell by the title, I'm going to review the L18 Lasting Glow Foundation. So if you're interested in this foundation review, then please keep on watching. So I'm going to start with the review right away. So the foundation I'm going to review is called the L18 Lasting Glow Foundation. It looks like that. It comes in this fancy kind of bottle. 100 रुपये में आपको यही पैकेजिंग मिलेगा, right? I'm okay with it. So for you get this for 100 rupees and you get 27 ml of product, which is quite a lot. So I'm not complaining about that. For 100 rupees, the bottle also looks like kind of okay, but I'm disappointed that there is no pump. आजकल तो सस्ते से सस्ता फाउंडेशन भी पंप देता है. सो एटलीस्ट स्पैचुला तो होना चाहिए, तो इसमें वो भी नहीं है. सो आई एम काइंड ऑफ disappointed in that department. So the shade that I have got is 02 Marble. It says for fair to whitish skin, and it is mentioned here at the top. It does have a shelf life, I would say, of 2 years, from what it is mentioned out here. And if I have to open the bottle and show you, this is how it looks like. It's very irritating, like, honestly, to take out the foundation because ये काफ़ी thick हो गया है. So you have to rigorously, shake the bottle. But let us read what is mentioned at the back. It says lasting glow foundation blends easily into your skin to create soft glowing feather light finish. It says oil free with vitamin E and water resistant. So we are going to see that in this video. Now it only comes in 4 shades. If you have used L18 foundation in the past, you would know that भैया 4 ही शेड्स रहते हैं उनके. एंड इट्स क्वाइट डिसअपॉइंटिंग दैट इट्स 2020 and still they haven't launched new shades. So L18, please, launch more shades. Somebody of my skin color, you can easily find their shade match, but I'm talking about somebody with a deeper skin tone. I think brands should be all inclusive right now. They should, come out with more shades. So let's hope in the future that happens. For now, as I said, they have 4 shades: pearl, marble, shell and coral. That's what I read online. So I got the marble one, and today I'm going to demo this on my face. Now before I demo it, I would like to mention that I have moisturized my face. I have used the Dega aloe vera gel. This is how it looks like. I will mention all the names of the products and the links from where you can buy it in the description box. And for my primer, I have used this one from Oriflame, and it is their Novage collection. It is your pore and line perfector. So this is basically not a primer, it is a cream. It's a gel based cream, which kind of hides your fine lines and pores on the face. I really like it, but it's very very expensive. If you can afford it, definitely go for it. I really like this product. Let's start with the foundation application. For that, I'm going to tie my hair and I'm going to be right back. So my hair is tied now and I'm ready to apply the foundation. So this is how my face looks like without any makeup. And I think I'm okay with it. मतलब हर बार कोई makeup या foundation नहीं लगाता है, especially घर में रहते हुए. But yes, applying makeup is not bad. It kind of makes you feel good. It makes your skin look even. So yeah. So let's apply the foundation. For that, it says shake well. So yeah, when I shake the bottle, I get this very liquidy kind of sound. So it's quite liquidy, I would say. और डेफिनेटली इसको शेक करना पड़ता है क्योंकि ये काफ़ी थिक हो जाता है. एंड द वर्स्ट पार्ट इज व्हेन यू हैव टू टेक इट आउट. सो या, I'm going to take a little bit on the back of my hand. I'm taking this much for now. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to use a beauty blender on this side of my face and a brush on this side of my face. So let me go ahead and first apply and dot it all over my face. That way it will be easy to apply. Okay, so I'm going to use this beauty blender I have. So it's not dirty. I've washed it very nicely. But beauty blenders, they tend to get dirty. So I'm also going to soak up some of the product into it. And I'm going to start blending on this side of my face. For that, I'm going to look into my mirror. So I'm going to hold the mirror in my hand so that I can see closely like what's happening. ओके, तो फिलहाल पर ये आई वुड से दैट ये ब्लेंड हो रहा है स्किन में. ऑन कैमरा इट्स लुकिंग गुड, बट इन रियलिटी आई फील देयर इज हार्डली एनी काइंड ऑफ कवरेज. I'm going to apply a little more and I'm going to use the butt of the beauty blender. Okay, so moving on, I'm going to blend this side of my face, and for that I'm going to use this generic brush that I have. In fact, this was the very first foundation brush that I got. I had got it from eBay, and eBay no longer exists now, so I'm sorry I cannot link it in the description box and tell you from where to buy it in case if you are interested. तो ऐसे ब्रशेज अभी बहुत कॉमन हो गए. आई रिमेंबर बाइंग दिस ब्रश फॉर लाइक 250 और 300 रुपीज़. अभी तो पूरा सेट मिल जाता है अमेजोन पे. सो टाइम्स हैव रियली चेंज आई वुड से. एंड दिस ब्रश आई थिंक आई हैव इट फॉर नियरली 4 or 5 years. सो yeah, the quality is really good. It hasn't shed nothing at all. बट इसका जो हैंडल था वो निकल गया, जो मैंने फेविक्विक से चिपका दिया. So now that I'm applying the foundation, I feel that our brush is way better. Although I feel with beauty blender भी इतना ख़राब नहीं दिख रहा है, to be very honest. But I always feel that brushes are more better because they give you more coverage. You can also use your fingers, no problem at all. So I have used quite a lot of foundation. I still have some on my hand. So I would say applying 2 layers is more than enough. इससे ज़्यादा आपको अप्लाई नहीं करना चाहिए क्योंकि फेस एकदम केकी लगने लगेगा. Okay, so I'm done with applying the foundation. I would say that even with the beauty blender, it blends quite well. I did notice that it kind of little bit clinged on my nose, but that happens with me with most foundation. Also, your brush needs to be really good, otherwise you get those streaky marks. So I would say using your finger is the best bet. Like if you're somebody like me, who has a lot of pores on your face, and I would say do not use a lot of foundation because it will all settle here in the cracks and it will not look good. Coverage wise, it has just low to medium coverage. Like on camera I'm really looking good. Like if I apply concealer it kind of flawlessly लगेगा, but in reality चक्कर कुछ और है, right? Like I can see that it is clinging here to my dry patches, so you have to moisturize your face really well, because if you have heard what I mentioned, which is written on the back of the bottle, it is oil free. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to powder my face. For that I'm using this L18 ka compact. This is again in the shade Marble. I also feel that I should try a different shade, probably one shade lighter than this one, because these kind of cheap foundations, they do oxidize. For now on camera it's definitely looking good, and in real life it's pretty much okay. Generally I do not buy the lightest shade of foundation because already I have a fair skin tone, like kind of fair. I would say I'm borderline between fair to medium kind of skin tone, so I never go for a very light foundation. It totally depends, like if I feel that it's going to oxidize, then probably I'll go for a lighter one. This seems like a decent shade match for me. In reality it kind of looks more yellow, but I think I'm going to stick with it and I'm quite okay with it. So I've gone ahead and applied powder. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to do the rest of my makeup and I'm going to be right back. Okay friends, so I'm right back after doing a little bit of light makeup on my face, and this is how my foundation looks like. So the shade seems like a pretty good match for me. Like if I look at myself here on the camera, in reality I find it a little bit more yellow for my liking. Like it could definitely oxidize, and it does because I have used this foundation before. Overall it seems like okayish. The coverage is decent I would say, but not really. Can you see my dark circles? They are clearly visible, right? So you definitely need to use a concealer, and yeah, for me I definitely need to use a concealer because I have really bad dark circles. So I would say this is like a low coverage foundation. मतलब 100 रुपये में आपको बस यही मिलेगा. It kind of evens out the skin tone, but it definitely does not hide any flaws on your face. So concealer is going to be like a must thing for application. Like for somebody like me who is a YouTuber on a video, it looks pretty much good. And I would also like to say that as they say it's an oil free foundation, it's kind of true because it kind of clinged here to my dry patches on my face. Even though I had moisturized, maybe mera moisturization enough nahi tha, it kind of clinged here and also a little bit on the nose. So you need to be careful and moisturize your face really well. तो ये dry skin वालों के लिए तो definitely नहीं है. Another thing that I noticed is that you will have to apply a little bit more, but do not apply a lot because then again it will look kind of cakey and weird. And the lasting power of this foundation is like 4 to 5 hours. If you're sweating, then it will come out very easily. Like यहाँ से उतर जाता है. Usually अगर आप कुछ खाते हो और मुँह धोते हो, like गागल वगैरह करते हो तो यहाँ से निकलेगा. But definitely this is not waterproof. Other than that, if I have to conclude, I would say you could try this foundation if you're looking for something which is budget friendly. But as I mentioned the cons, so you can decide for yourself if you really want this foundation. If I have to recommend it, yes, I would. Like 100 रुपये में coverage काफ़ी अच्छा है. I would say this is better than the foundation that I have used. I feel that this is better than the Olivia one. Like I have used it in the past. Recently मैंने खरीदा नहीं है, and I had done a review of the Olivia foundation. That was kind of a wrong shade for me. It made me look orange, so I'm going to try another shade in that foundation again, and then probably let you know in one of my future videos. So overall, this foundation is not bad. I would say for 100 rupees, it's definitely worth buying and trying if you're somebody who likes low coverage foundation. आजकल सब लोग घर में ही हैं, घर से काम कर रहे हैं, तो थोड़ा बहुत मेकअप लगाने के लिए, जूम मीटिंग्स वगैरह के लिए ये ठीक टाइप ऑफ फाउंडेशन है. For somebody who is going to college, who is a newbie in makeup, you could those people can also try this. So it's a personal choice, like how much coverage you want. For me, this type of coverage is fine, but yes, I will have to use a concealer. So overall, I like this foundation. I would recommend it for the price it comes in, but I hope they launch more shades in the future. This was my review of the L18 Lasting Glow Foundation. If you like this review, if you like my content, if you like my channel, please do consider subscribing to my channel. Do watch my videos till the end, because that will really help me in increasing my watch time on this channel. I've already discussed this before, but I just wanted to make it clear, because making videos is not easy. It's a real struggle. So if you have been watching my videos, please watch it till the end, so that it kind of helps me as a small YouTube creator. So this is it for today. This was my review. I will see you soon in my next video. Until then, take care. Bye bye.